go this way.
What the f was that?
No, Victor, what?
You didn't hear the yell upstairs?
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Jazmyne?
I'm actually nervous. Like, you know, I don't sweat, but I feel like my back is starting to sweat. Like, I'm starting to feel it.
It's funny seeing her this way. We are 16 minutes away from Tombstone, Arizona. We are going to investigate the Birdcage Theater. I have not been here for the last time I came was 4 years ago. I didn't investigate the Birdcage, but we just did like a little tour around, and it was really, really, really cool. And I had told Jazmyne about it. I'm like, dude, we got to check out Tombstone. So now we're here, and we got access to the Birdcage, which is like the most haunted place in Tombstone. But I am pumped. I'm
nervous.
A nervous wreck, which kind of makes me happy. I just can't wait to see what's gonna go down tonight. But you guys are in for a good one. Welcome to Boot Hill Graveyard.
What's up, guys? We are here at the Bootleg Graveyard.
Boot Hill.
Hey guys, we are here at the Boot Hill Graveyard.
Like some say unknown.
Unknown. 1882. There's a lot of unknown. Look at this guy got lynched.
Oh, it's crazy how like it says how he died.
Yeah. And the person who did it by Bisbee. This guy got slaughtered. Look.
So we are just about done checking out the cemetery. It's not too far from the Birdcage. So now we're gonna head over there and walk around, scope it out a little bit, and then get ready for the investigation.
I'm not ready.
Dude, I cannot wait to see what happens in there. Getting a little haircut for the
Not even the curly?
paranormal investigation.
You want this curly
Yeah,
off?
get that out too. Thanks, Jazmyne, for the trim. I feel a little more fresh.
It actually does look better.
This place is awesome. It feels like I just walked into a time capsule with the Western days in the 1800s. Jazmyne, it feels like we're back in the 1800s.
I know. Everything is so, like, how they said, in its original form.
I'm just waiting for like some cowboy dudes to come out and start like a gunfight or a brawl or something. There's a saloon.
It is
There's
so awesome here,
a gun
guys.
store. It is badass here.
Look at, did you see that right there?
6'4", but I'm 6'6" in boots.
You're a real life giant.
Yeah, I am.
You are.
Well, I am the tallest cowboy in Tombstone.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Yeah. And I enjoy it. There's one other guy that keeps saying he's taller, but oh, I got it by an inch.
How fast can you draw your gun?
Not very. But you don't have to be fast. You got to be accurate. Two different things.
True.
See, the Birdcage Theater didn't open its doors until Christmas Eve, 1881. Now, this building is actually quite a famous building. It's actually in the Guinness Book of World Records. The world's longest poker game took place inside that building. It lasted 8 years, 5 months, 3 days. Yeah. This place was actually open for just about 11 years, from 1881 to 1892, at which point the mining here in Tombstone started to fall off. Now, this is a very active building. This is actually considered the third most haunted place here in Tombstone. All right? Inside that building, they have 140 bullet holes. They've had 16 gunfights that took the lives of 26 people. That was 25 men, 1 woman, and a dog. I know everybody goes off for the dog. No, it's a very active place in there. Anything from orbs to vortexes to plasmas, all of it to full apparitions. Here lately, a lot of folks have been getting pictures of a ghost of a little boy in there. But sounds have been heard in there, and most of the cable shows that have been, Ghost Hunters, Ghost Adventures, and all those guys, they've had the invitation to come down here and set up, and most of them have. There's video of a bowler feather falling from the ceiling. There's voices and orbs and everything else being heard in there. It's a very fascinating place to go in there, so I highly, highly suggest it.
So we're inside the Birdcage Theater, about to start setting everything up. Creepy. Here we go, lights out, everybody. Oh, Huh? Whoa.
I can't do selfie mode with a light. So I have this flashlight, but I don't like it because it's really dark. It's really dark up here.
Coming down. Is there someone here? Anybody in the rooms? Margarita, are you here? We heard 26 people died in here. Are any of you still here? Oh, dude, that scared me.
I feel like really uneasy in here.
But just imagine everything that went down over down here. I don't know if Margarita got murdered down here or up there, but she got killed by some other girl, like another working girl. She had like a stiletto, and I think just went at it to her chest until her heart came out, which is brutal as hell. So I would see why her spirit would still be here. Do you hear us talking about you, Margarita? Dude, it sounds like someone's upstairs. Whoa.
Would anybody like to communicate with us?
Did you guys hear that? Dude, full on footsteps upstairs.
Alright, so I'm going to set up a REM pod. You guys already know what it does. See, I'm barely getting close to it. Look. If anybody is down here and would like to communicate with us, can you please touch the device that's in front of me with the red light?
What happened in this room?
Dude,
What happened?
I heard something right in there. What the?
Is someone under there?
Like if somebody was down there like moving around.
You can use my energy so you can make it light up even stronger. We want to communicate with you.
It's going. Victor. Oh my god.
Who's here?
Oh my god.
I don't know why I'm starting to feel like
I don't like it down here.
Your
F***ing K2 is going off, dude.
It is?
What the?
Look. Are you getting it?
Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm getting it.
Is someone in front of us? I don't feel good down here.
Me neither.
Can you move something? I heard that. Okay, so you're here with us.
Oh, the K2 is going.
Now we want to make sure if you really are here with us, can you light up the REM pod for us, please?
You touched it earlier to let us know you were here. Can you do it again? You can use Victor's energy.
Yeah, use my energy to show yourself. Dude, there it is.
Dude.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
That's just confirming that they're here.
Oh my gosh.
Straight up.
Leave the REM pod?
Yeah.
Dude, look, the K2's jumping like
It's
crazy. Yeah. Look. Are the poker players trying to communicate with us?
Whoa, dude. Whoa.
Wow. Let's go this way.
What the
No,
was that?
no. This way.
What the
No,
was that?
no, Victor, what?
You didn't hear the yell upstairs?
Yeah,
No, I'm serious. Did you hear that?
I did.
Someone screamed upstairs.
Wait, I'm gonna go first.
And leave me down here?
I'm gonna go first.
Did you seriously hear that though?
I did hear it.
So I came downstairs by myself. I left Jazmyne upstairs.
Victor! Victor!
What happened? What happened?
The REM pod's going off. Somebody was walking right here. And then the REM pod went off. And my phone's not working. What's your name?
Saul? Die. Whoa.
That was so loud.
Look. That's exactly where I saw someone peek out at too.
Who is that?
Who are you?
We're coming.
Disappeared. So far downstairs has been like the most active. They're coming. Dude, he said that.
Dude. I don't like
He
it.
said they're coming.
I don't like it down here. We're coming down here.
Dude, it said they're coming.
I heard that. And I gonna turn off the flashlight. Oh.
Do you not want us down here? Yes, we're coming. We're here. Sick. Are you sick? What are you sick of?
Agony.
Oh my God, that just gave me crazy chills.
Victor, no, 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 no.
So now we come down here.
Oh, no.
Darkness.
No, 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 no.
It said darkness.
No, Victor.
We are in complete darkness. This is what you wanted? Is this how you wanted to communicate with us in dark?
No, 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 no.
I just felt something right here.
Please.
No, I swear, I just felt something right here. I don't know, like... There's nothing right here, right?
No. Who's down here with us? I can't see anything. It's so dark.
Look in the room.
I don't want to look in the room.
Oh,
What?
did you just make a noise?
No. No, I
Dude.
didn't. You can tug on Victor's shirt.
You can tug on my shirt, you can...
Push.
We hear someone got their hair pulled in here. I mean, I don't have long hair, but Jazmyne does. Dude, that sounded like my name. That sounded like Victor.
Victor.
Are you calling out my name?
Do you want to talk to Victor?
Dude, that creeped me the hell out.
You guys, this guy wants me to go downstairs. He's out of his
Oh!
Oh my God, no, no.
That's a yes. He wants you to go downstairs.
No.
They want you down there, Jazmyne.
No. Dude, stop.
Look at...
Please
come on.
stop. Stop. I'm not going downstairs. You're
Dude,
out of your
this-
f***ing mind.
This, like, pretty much said they want you down there.
I don't give a shit. I'm not going down there.
Come on, Jazmyne, to catch evidence.
I just don't. Right here? Right here? Right here? Right here?
Like, at the bottom of the stairs.
Who's here? Can you make a noise? What? What? Can you make a noise? What? 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 I heard that thing in my ear. It was like...
No, honestly, guys, I was laughing because the reaction on her face, but I didn't hear that, the breath that you heard.
It was heavy.
I didn't hear it.
Like, I wouldn't just run up like that just because.
After reviewing this footage over and over, to us it looks like a spirit orb slowly coming down from up top the hearse. But that's not the only thing we captured. Up top right side of the hearse, it looks like a white mist type floating out of the hearse. We couldn't explain this.